So a passion assessment. So these are the questions that I asked myself to see if I was legitimately having a mid-business crisis or if I should probably try to move on. So it got to the point where if I didn't answer some of these questions, I think I would have just closed my business legally and just quit. But I was told by a friend to calm down, take a breath, and take a break. And so that's what I did. I took a vacation and I thought about it. And the vacation technically was supposed to be for a week, but it ended up being a month. But, you know, it's okay. So the first question, are you passionate about what you do in your business? When I took this assessment, my answer was, yeah, kind of. I was actually on the fence, and I realized that sometimes I just didn't want to have anything to do with skincare. And unfortunately, that was more times than I did. And so the next question is, do you dread working on your business? Again, 9 times out of 10, I did. At that point in 2020, I did. And I didn't just want to have anything to do with it. And I'll also say that I took this assessment twice. I did it last year and I did it this year. So the next question is, do you find reasons not to complete business-related tasks? Well, I definitely did. Some of my excuses were, I'm too tired, I don't have enough supplies and materials, things like that. Does just thinking about your business make you proud? Now, I was definitely proud that I had even started a business, but for a long time, I felt like I didn't have a real business. And this was because in my mind, I looked at it like I wasn't making thousands and thousands of dollars. And because it was a creative business and it wasn't, you know, a tech company or some other sort of startup, I frequently dealt with this warped mind frame, this warped mindset. Has the motivation to succeed disappeared? It definitely did. And I just didn't want to do it anymore because I assumed that I should have been more successful at it. Are you still willing to work tirelessly on your business to make it succeed? And the long and short of it was, no, I wasn't. So spoiler alert, it is okay if your passion and motivation is gone. Honestly, it's fine. You're not married to this idea, to this business for the rest of your life. Things change. Life changes. You change. Your business idea can change, and your passion and motivations can change. And so I had to learn to give myself permission to modify my dream. And that's what I did. I do have a group of customers who order from me faithfully, and they look out for new fragrances and items, and or they may just have their fragrance that they like to have. And so I didn't do completely away with skincare, but I just modified what I wanted in a business.